In this video, I'll show you how to copy your quiz from one Shopify store to another using the RevenueHunt app. If you've already created a quiz in one of your Shopify stores, you can easily duplicate it in another store you own. To start, open the quiz you want to copy and go to Quiz Settings. Scroll down to the Quiz Migration section and look for Export Quiz to another store. Click Copy Quiz Code. This will copy a unique code to your clipboard. Next, log into your other Shopify store where you want to import the quiz. Make sure the RevenueHunt app is installed. Open the app, go to the dashboard, and click Create New Quiz. You'll see an option to import a quiz from another store. Click it, and a field will appear where you can paste the quiz code you copied earlier. Once you paste the code, click Import. The quiz will now appear in your dashboard with a note saying Imported from. All your quiz settings, design, and logic will be copied over automatically. The only elements that won't transfer are the linked products and collections, since those are unique to each store and have different product and collection IDs. And that's it! You've successfully copied your quiz from one Shopify store to another. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.